Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I just got this recently. I got this from my father. Very exciting. This is the Takara Tomy what's that? Hitachi Sumitomo Heavy Industries Construction Crane SCX900-3 scale 1 by 120. Okay, so sorry, let's focus there. Number 127. So yeah, looking at this, very exciting. If you can see, I have a bunch of Hot Wheels there, a few Hot Wheels. One of my favorite is this one. Yeah, and oh, I forgot my favorite. I have another favorite. I'll show you later on. Okay, this is also a few Tomica there. Usually some things that you can play with, but I don't think you can really play with this one. You have to like put it on display or something. Okay, so without further ado, I'm with my trusted samurai. Alright, okay, so we're going to do some unboxing. Hopefully everything works out fine. Okay, so let's do the unboxing here. So we're going to open the box. Wow, okay, this is the parts. It needs some assembly, and here's the actual crane. Which side should it go? There you go. Wow, it's quite heavy, guys. It's quite heavy. So this is the actual crane. If you can see there, right? That's the crane, but you need to assemble a few parts of it. Very nice. Thank you, my samurai sword. Put you back. Do you guys know where I got this from? Yeah, this one from a Hot Toys figure. Do tell me in the comments below if you know which Hot Toys have this sword. Right, okay, so moving on. This is the crane, and the parts should be easy enough to be assembled. This one goes in the back. Yeah, looking at the picture there. So the other way around. There, yeah. Just snap it. Just snap it. I think there's a hole and a puck there. And you put inside. That's it. Okay, and then I think this is the one. It doesn't have any instruction, guys, so it's your imagination. Okay, I think it's this way, and Sumitomo Hitachi goes that way. Yeah, nice. And I think this is optional. Yeah, so I think basically, guys, that is it. Yeah, okay, that is it. This is the whole model. It's quite long. If you compare to a regular car, Hot Wheels car, the shape is smaller. Yeah, of course, but the has different scale, right, guys? But this one is like 2 cars long. Yeah, so 2 cars long. Yeah, almost 2 cars long. That's that way. But I think you can even make it longer. Let me get that in frame. You can use this white portion there. Snap that together again, and another white, and the end part there. Can I get it in frame? It's too heavy. Yeah. So wow, how long is that? One car. Hey, don't go. 2 car. Oh boy, 3 car. So around 4. Yeah, almost 4 car long. The length of the what do you call that? The crane arms. I think that's called the crane's arm. It's around 4 cars long. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, nice. So just to show you in frame, that's how tall it is. Put in the back maybe. Yeah, the good thing about it, it can hold its weights. Yeah, it doesn't fall down. If you do that, it fell down, of course. Yeah, but it can hold its weights. But I don't think you can really use anything for picking it up. Can I get that in frame? Very good. Can I get that in frame? Okay. What I want to show you guys is this connection part is, this one is very thin. Camera won't focus. What's wrong with you guys? What's wrong with you? Not you guys. What's wrong with my camera here? Okay, so I think you can see it. This part is very small. You cannot put anything. You cannot put weight on it. It'll break, I think. But overall, yeah. Overall, I really like with this. Okay, no, it's not broken, guys. Just need to re-snap it. So overall, I really like with this crane. It's a wonderful model. A good collection. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Do like, subscribe, and click the bell notification button. Thank you so much. Love you all.